In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Rainbow Six Siege on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and we're going to go to options. Now, if you're playing with crossplay friends, ensure that you have crossplay communication toggled on and press square to apply the settings. Then what you want to do is scroll on over to audio at the top and you want to scroll down on this page until you get to the very bottom and ensure you have voice chat volume turned up. Now, once you've done that, you can go back. If you are in an actual game, you can press start and have a look at all your teammates. You may have accidentally muted them, so be sure to not do that. Now, if it's still not working, press the PlayStation button on your controller, and what you want to do is go to sound first and ensure you're on the correct output device. In my case, I'm using a headset with a microphone. You also want to ensure your volume's turned up. If you have mute game voice chat toggled on, ensure this is toggled off. Then you want to go back and select mic. And from here, you want to ensure you haven't accidentally muted your microphone on the PlayStation 5. And if you have a mute toggle on your actual headset, for example, ensure you haven't accidentally muted yourself. Then what you want to do is go to adjust mic level. And hopefully at this point it's working here and you can see it's moving in the input volume. Now, if it's still not working at this point after having changed all these settings, I'd recommend swapping out your controller or headset because it might be a hardware issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.